Hello, Andrew Riccardi here, and I'm just going to show you how we've been collecting some data on our project about fostering a growth mindset through a blended e-learning approach. And I'm just going to walk you through it here. So we started, this was term 1, 2017, with a survey of all of the junior maths students at Waimea College. And we gave every student 10 questions. And here is the mindset survey that we gave. You can have a look at these questions. And what we did was to try to, it was difficult, first of all, to measure someone's mindset. And we realized that. There were definitely some advantages and disadvantages of that. But after several months of talking about the questions, we came up with these. So, for example, some of these questions are, well, they're all weighted. So, for example, number 1, your intelligence is fixed and can't be changed very much. So if someone put a 4 in there, strongly agreed with that, then that would count as a fixed mindset thought for that student. And if someone, for number 3, say anybody can learn to be good at mathematics if they work hard, if they agreed with that, that would count for a strong growth mindset. So we collected all this data. We didn't put it all on this sheet. How we collected it all was through a program called GradeCam. So all 696 students that we surveyed filled in bubble sheets like this, and they answered the questions here, and they put their student ID here. And we scanned it all with GradeCam. So when they did this, this was pen to paper or pencil to paper. They didn't do anything online. They did it on paper. And then we scanned it all, and we were able to get all of the results very quickly because we just used a document camera or the webcam on our laptop, and we were able to get the results of all 696 students. And these are the results on the GradeCam website, and we can do whatever we want with these. We can look at them by student, we can look at them by class. The ones they got wrong doesn't matter because it's just it doesn't know it's a survey, it thinks it's a test. So we could get anything we wanted from this GradeCam website. Next, what we did was we gave the students a score based off of their questions. So based off of these questions, we gave them a total score. And with that score, we put them in a growth or fixed mindset range. So the scores, if you look over here, the column on the right, the scores went from 0 to 40, 0 being completely fixed mindset, and 40 being extremely growth mindset. And then the other team members, Richard Keys and Damian Campbell, they were the ones who formulated this spreadsheet and worked with this survey, and were able to get all of this data into Excel. And it was fantastic what we saw. So, for example, if we look at the students in the red, the brighter the red, the stronger the fixed mindset. So this student right here with an overall score of 6 would have a strong fixed mindset. The one in pink with a score of 15 or 14 or 13 would have a fixed mindset as well, according to our survey. Bright blue, like this one right here at 35, means strong growth mindset. And down here, 36 would be a strong growth mindset as well, based off of our questions. Now, if we just scroll down, we notice a lot of light blue and gray. And that means a lot of students are kind of in the middle, not really strongly fixed or strongly growth. Just, you could say they're kind of whatever. And yeah, sometimes I like maths, and yeah, maybe if I work hard, I'll get better. But there are some interesting trends here, which we'll talk about later in our final report. But our focus is really several things. To look at the students in the red with the strong fixed mindset, and we want to get them into a growth mindset. And the students in the bright blue who were growth mindset, it's not like we want to ignore them, but we want to use them to help others get out of a fixed mindset, see what their strategies are as well. And yeah, so when we looked at this, we thought, okay, is there a correlation between this and achievement? Which is, according to our research that we have read, there is. And next, what one of the team members has done, Richard Keyes, has put all of these these mindset scores, if I can call them mindset scores, he's put them into our student management system, KMAR, and just put that number in there so the teachers in that class can see what the student's mindset score was. And then we can look at other scores, such as this is the PAT mathematics one that they have done earlier in the year. And we could see if there's a correlation between their mindset scores and these maths scores. So for this student who scored low in the PAT, which is a progressive achievement test in maths, do they also have a fixed mindset? And the student who scored on the higher spectrum, do they have a growth mindset? What's the correlation there? What's the deal? And this is just one of the things that we're looking at with student data and growth and fixed mindsets. I'm sure there's going to be other things as well. So, for example, Richard Keyes has also put the mindset scores according to classes. And at Waimea College at the moment, our classes are still banded by ability grouping, which means that there are classes that are more able than others. And already there's a correlation there where the classes that are less able have a lower mindset score than the classes that are more able. If we see this one compared to this one, those are the year 9 classes, and the year 10 classes, a similar structure is there as well, where the classes with a low mindset score, this column here and this column here, would be the year 10 math classes with the lowest ability. It should be interesting because we won't necessarily have ability grouping anymore at our school next year, according to our new timetable. So how will this change? How will this be different in the years to come? We will see. So that's how we've collected our data with a questionnaire that we made up using GradeCam, using Richard and Damien's statistical knowledge, and we will keep on seeing how we go with this. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and talk to you later.